What if I told you that you could completely transform your diet and do it for less than the cost of your coffee habit? Now, I'm not talking about those boring salads or tasteless noodles that make you feel like you're sacrificing enjoyment. Imagine instead having meals that make you look forward to each bite. Meals packed with flavor, texture, and color that taste like they belong in a restaurant but are totally budget friendly. That's right. Today we're diving into 5 affordable, game-changing meals that will absolutely redefine how you think about eating healthy. Picture this, meals that not only support your health goals, but are so satisfying you might even forget you're eating on a budget. And here's the best part, each one costs less than $5 to make. Keep watching to discover how easy it can be to eat like a pro, even on a tight budget. Let's talk lunch. Forget fast food. I've got something that's filling, flavorful, and costs less than $3. Chickpea stir-fry wraps. Not only are chickpeas a plant-based protein powerhouse, but they're also super affordable and loaded with nutrients. To make this, start with a can of chickpeas, add in some frozen veggies, think bell peppers, broccoli, or whatever you have on hand, and season it all with your favorite spices. Saute everything until it's golden and fragrant, then wrap it in a whole wheat tortilla. In just minutes, you've got a hearty, nutrient-dense wrap packed with fiber, protein, and a variety of antioxidants that fuel your body and keep you full. This wrap is a perfect balance of taste and health without the fast food price tag. And it's a great way to enjoy a warm, comforting lunch that feels like a treat. But if you're looking for something even cozier, something warm and comforting that feels like a splurge, our next recipe might be just what you're craving. And yes, it's also under $5. Here's a meal that's perfect for chilly nights, or those days when you just want something cozy, filling, and flavorful, veggie fried rice. And here's the kicker, it only costs about $1.50 per serving. Who says comfort food has to be expensive? Making this is so simple. Grab your leftover rice. It actually fries up better than fresh rice because it's a bit drier. Add in a handful of frozen veggies like peas, carrots, and corn. Crack in an egg for extra protein, and finish it with a dash of soy sauce for that savory kick. The real secret, cooking everything on high heat to get that golden crispy texture that makes fried rice so satisfying. Think fried rice can pack a nutritional punch? Here's the surprise. This dish is loaded with fiber from the veggies, protein from the egg, and complex carbs from the rice, giving you energy and fullness that lasts. If you're already planning this for dinner, I don't blame you. But what if you're looking for something lighter, fresher, and just as affordable? Our next recipe will hit that craving, and you might be surprised at how it all comes together. Now for a little twist. Ever heard of a power bowl that doesn't break the bank? Meet the tuna and veggie power bowl, packed with nutrients, filling, and coming in at under $2 per serving. Yes, you heard that right. This one's perfect if you're looking to get all the benefits of a balanced meal without spending much. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of tuna for that hit of protein, a base of cooked quinoa or rice, and some diced veggies. Cucumber and bell pepper add that fresh, crisp texture. Finish it with a dash of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice, and you've got a protein-rich, satisfying meal that's also packed with omega-3s and antioxidants. It's easy to underestimate canned tuna, but this humble ingredient is packed with lean protein and essential fatty acids. With this combo, you're looking at a meal that supports your muscles, heart, and energy levels without any fancy high-priced ingredients. And it's so refreshing with all the crunch and flavor you need. But if you're really craving something hearty, satisfying, and almost supercharged in nutrients, stay tuned. Our next and final recipe might just blow your mind with its price and power. And here we are, the meal that might just be the king of all budget-friendly foods. Hearty lentil soup. Believe it or not, this dish costs around 75 cents per serving, but don't let the price fool you. It's packed with fiber, protein, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium that support energy, muscle health, and immunity. Start by sauteing some onion, garlic, and carrots in a pot. This step brings out the depth and sweetness in the soup. Next, add red or brown lentils and cover it all with vegetable broth. Let it simmer, and in about 20 minutes, you've got a rich, filling, and nutritious soup that's perfect for any time of day. Lentils are a hidden gem in budget cooking. They're incredibly filling, nutrient-dense, and so affordable you can stock up without a second thought. Not only do they add a comforting texture to this soup, but they also bring a nutty, earthy flavor that makes this dish feel so much more luxurious than it costs. So there you have it, 5 delicious, healthy, and affordable meals that prove eating well doesn't have to break the bank. Remember, each meal costs less than $5, yet it's packed with nutrients that support your energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Now, if you're ready to take your budget meal prep even further, stay tuned because we've got more recipes, tips, and hacks coming up in future videos. But for now, why not give one of these a try? You might be surprised how easy, affordable, and enjoyable healthy eating can really be.